What do I do? Because I feel like Vlogtober means like you're vlogging every day, obviously. We are restocking these. It's such a big part of my business. So I have this box. Here's what we're gonna do. Well, as their main planner, but also like a lot of social media. And I'm so excited because it is new stuff for the shop. We are going to clean. I do like it. It's just very neutral. Welcome back to Vlogtober Day 9. Yes, Day 9. So I'm having a little bit of a slower morning. It is, of course, raining again. I hate this weather so much. Anyway, I'm not gonna be all Debbie Downer here. I'm gonna try to get myself together. I just feel very like slow and not motivated to do anything, but I need to do a lot of things. So I need to finish the video. I'm done editing it, but I've got to do the thumbnail and upload it. It's supposed to go live in 2 hours. I need to make sure all the new release stuff's ready. They go up in an hour. Guys, I got the video up. My new releases are up. I need to do some promoting for them, but I'm honestly just like, I don't want to right now. I also want to show you some stuff I got from Happy Planner real quick. So we'll do a little Happy Planner haul. I know this isn't the best angle. I need to get a little bit taller tripod, I think, but for now, we're gonna make this work. So the first thing I got from Happy Planner are these little pen holders, but they're like the elastic bands that cover the you know what I'm talking about? Anyway, I got the like black and white ones because I figured it would go with like pretty much anything. So I got that. And then I got this cover, and it's like a gray color, but I think online they were saying it was like a light green color. So I don't know. I don't remember the name of this one. The packaging doesn't have the color on it. It just says it's a soft snap-in cover. But I wanted this because I've had like a rose gold type of one on my planner all year, and I was just kind of sick of it. I wanted to change it up. But I really like these like soft covers because they're a little bit more sturdy, I feel like. So I got this. I do like it. It's just very neutral, so I like that. And the next thing I got is a new planner, and this is actually the teacher planner. And the reason that I got it is because I've seen people use this as like their, well, as their main planner, but also like a lot of social media. So what they do is they like cover up the day, and they'll put like YouTube, and then they'll have like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you get the point. And they would have like everything that would be going on with that part of their life. So I figured I could do like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Etsy / my website, and then maybe something else to help me with that, because I feel like it's such a big part of my business is social media, and that's the part that I feel like I struggle with the most, coming up with the ideas, just being present on social media. And so I kind of wanted like a planner where I could like put that out in that layout, and then like see everything I have planned for every part of it for the week, instead of it just like getting mixed in with like just like the week as a whole, like seeing everything I have going on in the week. If I could just see, oh, here's what I have for YouTube for the week, here's what I have for Instagram for the week, if that makes sense. So I'm still going to use my weekly spread because I just recently got back into my planner. I don't even know if I've shown you the spread for that. I did film a plan with me, and I am thinking about, let me know, I need your help with this. I'm thinking about making the plan with me that I filmed, the Vlogtober video that goes up on Sunday, because I'm very stressed about how I'm going to get a video up at 1 p.m. on Sunday. because we have church, so I won't be able to edit in the morning. And we are gonna be hanging out with friends tomorrow night, so probably gonna be out late. So I'm a little stressed about that. So let me know if you guys would be fine with just like maybe me not vlogging at all tomorrow and putting up a plan with me on Sunday, or do you guys just want to see vlogs? I don't know. I feel very like, what do I do? Because I feel like Vlogtober means like you're vlogging every day, obviously. But I'm also like, there's some days where there's like nothing happening, or I just feel like not vlogging, that it would be nice to have like those little like filler videos, like plan with me's, or like a Q&A, or something that I could like pre-film beforehand and have to go in case something happens that day, or I'm just like, I wake up and I'm just not into it or whatever. So let me know if you guys are okay with that, because I think that might be what I have to do for Sunday, just because I'm a little stressed about making sure that a video gets up on time. Because I've been very on it with my 1 o'clock uploads. I'd like to keep up with that if possible. So let me know in the comments below. I'm pretty sure you guys will say that you don't care, and like that's totally fine, because you guys are super supportive and sweet like that. But I also, you know, want to make sure that I'm giving you guys the content that you like, and that we're staying consistent, but also keeping it like entertaining, but also real. You know, there's just a lot that goes into videos that I don't think people really understand unless they do it all the time. It can be a struggle, like today when I'm just like, I just want to sleep, but like, how interesting would that be as a vlog, you know? So anyway, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, that is my Happy Planner haul. That's all that I got. I'm really excited about it. Also, I guess I need to open and unpackage like all the inventory that came in yesterday, so I could show you guys that, and then maybe we could clean. I don't know. I'll figure it out. So I have this box, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, and I'm so excited because it is new stuff for the shop. Look at how cute this paper is. Okay, anyway, I am so excited, you guys. So let me get all this stuff out and I'll show you. Very excited. Oh, I didn't realize that those were that big. So first thing, I guess I'll go ahead and like open this one and show you guys, because I'm gonna have to take photos of it anyway. But this is like a notebook like you'd have in school, like one of the bigger notebooks, and it says plant dreams, pull weeds, and grow a happy life, which I just thought was so cute. I guess I like wasn't paying attention to how big this one was, because I thought it was going to be smaller. I got this size notebook and I thought it was going to be the same size, but that's totally fine. I still really love it, and I think if you're in school, it would be the perfect like notebook to take notes, or if you just like notebooks, like honestly, it'd probably be perfect. Very, very cute. So the second thing is this little notebook. It just looks like that. It has this cute like leopard rainbows. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's super cute. Next, we have this grocery notepad. So this just kind of has where you can write your meal plans and anything that you need to get at the grocery store, and like the sections that it's in. I thought that was really cute. So I got a couple of these. Oh, I did get some washi tape. And then I have some washi tape and pins in here. So the first washi tape, the only washi tape I got, is this like super pretty rainbow foil kind of washi. I thought that was really pretty. I also got some of these rainbow pins. We are restocking these, hang on, I don't know if you can see because it's kind of dark, mermaid pins. These sold out way quicker than I thought they were going to, so had to restock them. The restock will be happening on next Friday. So what day is this going up? This video is going up on Saturday. So on Friday, these are going to be restocked. So if you wanted to get the mermaid pin, but it sold out on you, restocking on Friday at noon. Next, we have this, I don't know if this is leopard or cheetah print, and it has like this giant like crystal thing on the end, but I know a lot of people are into that. But this is just a like leopard pin. Also, I got this rainbow mermaid pin. So we have like the regular mermaid pin and then the rainbow mermaid pin. They're so pretty. And I think that that's all that I got. I just got like a bunch of pins. So, bunch of pins, bunch of washi, notebooks, and notepads. So, okay, I'm like, I can't deal with this weather anymore. So anyway, I'm gonna try to like give myself, I don't know, like set a timer, do something. And I'm gonna try to like tidy up my house because I know that'll make me feel better. Okay, so even just cleaning this space, I didn't fold the blanket because someone was on it and I didn't want to be mean. Yeah, you hear me talking about you? Anyway, but even just cleaning this space, I feel a lot better. I've seriously tried to film this clip 4 times. 4 times, you guys. This is how my day is going. I made myself some tea because we are struggling with the energy today. We're struggling with just the rainy weather. Not a fan. Would not recommend. But it's okay. We're going to get through it. But I do feel bad because I'm like, gosh, this video is like probably pretty just boring, honestly. But of course, that is going to happen from time to time when you're vlogging your everyday life and you're a real person. It's going to happen. I am going to try to clean one more room. I know that I said today I was going to be cleaning a lot, and I was, but then our plans changed, so people aren't coming over here, so I'm not as stressed about it. So I was like, I can wait till James can help me tomorrow. So tomorrow will definitely be a cleaning vlog. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to set a timer for 30 minutes. Yeah, 30, because I want to do this quickly. I'm going to set a timer for 30 minutes. We are going to clean the office and the bedroom, and we are going to get it done. We're going to tackle it. All right, let's go set this timer. I'll share it with you guys right now. Okay, timer. This says 1 hour. We don't want 1 hour. I want the timer for 30 minutes. So timer, 30 minutes, and start. And we have 5 minutes to spare. So that was awesome. I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel it right now. So yeah. So I was able to get that done in less than 30 minutes. I got 2 rooms completed. Granted, they weren't like the messiest they've ever been, but still. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am gonna end it here just because we are going to hang out with friends and it's at their house, so I'm not gonna like take a camera and film their space and put a camera in their face. I just don't, I mean, I think that they'd be fine with it, but like I also don't want to do that to people, you know what I mean? But eventually maybe I will share my friends with you guys, because I'm sure that people probably think I don't have any friends because like I'm always just in my house and cleaning or doing sticker stuff. But I do have friends. I just don't share that part of my life as much, just because I never know how comfortable people are going to be with having a camera in their face. So, you know, so I definitely will eventually, hopefully, share my friends if they feel comfortable. But we are going to go hang out with them tonight. We are going to play some games. It's going to be a good time. We actually haven't hung out with these friends in like a month because we've been so busy, because we've just been like go, go, go. And so it's been a while. So I'm pretty excited that we finally get to hang out. But yeah, so I think I'm going to wrap up the vlog here just so that way it's done. I can edit it, get it up for you guys, and then we can get... tomorrow's vlog is going to be insane with the editing. I can already feel it. So hopefully I can get it up on Sunday for you guys. But yeah, that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you are new here, and stick around. Also, don't forget that if you want to win $25 shop credit, make sure that you are leaving comments on every single Vlogtober video, and I will pick a winner at the end of all of this. Or I'll actually pick 2 winners at the end of all this. So make sure that you are commenting, leaving those comments. It could be as simple as like, hey, I'm having a great day. You know, like just leave a comment. Just say hi. So that is it for this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.